Rose here for another one of our FAQ videos. So what do you want to know? Hello, today we're going to answer the frequently asked question, how does a gate valve work? A gate valve is generally used to completely shut off fluid flow or provide full flow in a pipeline. Thus, it is used either in the fully closed or fully open positions. Gate valves are generally unsuitable for regulating flow or pressure or operating partially open conditions. Gate valves work by inserting a rectangular gate or wedge into the path of a flowing fluid. They are operated by a threaded stem that connects the actuator to the stem of the gate. If the valve has a rising stem, the valve position can be seen just by looking at the position of the stem. A gate valve has no obstruction in the flow path and a very low pressure drop when fully opened. If the fluid is very viscous, a particular type of gate valve, known as a knife gate valve, can be used. One reason gate valves are not normally used to regulate flow is that the flow rate of the fluid is not proportional to the amount the valve is open. Check out our selection of valves at usplastic.com. Thanks for watching another one of our videos. And remember, if you have a question you would like us to answer, or maybe you have an idea for our next video, send us an email at techvids@usplastic.com or give us a call at 1-800-537-9724. We'll see you next time.